It's 3 a.m. Again. Your mind is racing, sleep just won't come. Waking up exhausted, foggy, and irritable? Do you just chalk it up to getting older? Or dread taking synthetic sleep aids that leave you groggy the next day? It's time to reset your body's natural rhythm with U-Sleep. This isn't high-dose melatonin or a synthetic drug. It's a delicious, all-natural, nano-enhanced sleep formula. U-Sleep supports your brain's natural sleep pressure system, featuring 9 powerful plant-based ingredients. For example, Lemon Balm Extract helps reduce cortisol, that stress hormone that often spikes at 3 a.m. And Magnesium Glycinate ensures those deep, restorative sleep phases. With just 0.9 milligrams melatonin, it simply signals your body it's time for rest. The result? You'll fall asleep faster, stay asleep all night, and wake up truly refreshed. Many notice deeper sleep in just days. By 6 weeks, sharper focus, better mood, and boosted energy. Listen to Mary D, 56, who now sleeps like she did in her 20 seconds. Her kids even say, "Mom, you're fun again." And Jenna N proved it with her Oura Ring data. Her deep sleep doubled. Order now and get massive savings on our most popular 3 and 6 month supply packages. That's as little as $1.30 for a great night's sleep with the 6-month option. Plus, with these packages, you get 3 free bonuses: Dr. Collins' Sleep Stories, the Younger and Happier While You Sleep ebook, and the Essential Guide to Popular Bedtime Snacks that trigger 3 AM wake-ups. Don't wait. Give your body the deep, restorative sleep it deserves. Click the link below and claim your U-Sleep package today. With our 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose but sleepless nights.